Welcome back to my studio. Today I have editorial bridal photo shoot here in my studio. I set up this beautiful pink room because it's gonna be something special today. Let me introduce you my model, Eva. Thank you for coming today. Thank you. We're going to have two look photo shoot today. This is our first look, and beautiful makeup and hair was done by Evgenia. Let me introduce you. Makeup artist Evgenia. She does an amazing job. Look at that. So first look is inspired by those beautiful flowers and this beautiful color. And we're gonna have this beautiful texture on the background panel from Baby Dream backdrops. I love the color, but it's a little bit odd for us today. So what I did, I added gel to background and created different look. So let's start. Yes. Oh my god, that's so good. Beautiful. Yes. And give us a look in the camera, please. Yes. Open mouth slightly. Yes. Perfect. For this shoot, I'm using my Nikon Z8 and my 85 lens. That's my favorite for beauty shots. And we got some amazing photos. It feels like fall spring in the studio. How do you feel in this look?
I love it. It looks so beautiful.
What's your favorite part?
Honestly, the color scheme, I just love how it's just everywhere around me. It feels like it's like, growing out. So,
Yes, that's incredible. Perfect. Okay, so as a lighting key light, I'm using this Octobox overhead. This is our key light. Then I have one more light. It's outbox with a grid on it and some gels inside to make this color different. And also I have a hair light, little kit from the side in here. And let me show you what we got. For the second set, we're gonna use this beautiful pink backgrounds. I created this set from Baby Dream Backdrop Company. All these panels and backgrounds, everything matched together perfectly. I'm super excited. I think for bridal look, this will be the perfect set. today I do collaboration with Pure Bride. It's a bridal boutique here in Sacramento. Let me introduce you Anna, the owner of boutique. Hi Anna.
Hello everyone, I'm Anna and I'm the owner of Pure Bride. And today with Olha, we are going to choose beautiful outfit for our model.
We're very excited because her designs are so unique. She's not only owner, but she also a designer. So let's come to her salon and choose a dress.
Our store is very unique because we are the only store in the area that carry owns our own collections and private designs. So here you can choose to have to get any of our samples or to make a completely custom dress.
Welcome to Pure Bride.
Thank you!
I'm so excited to choose outfit for your bride. And let's just hop on. Yes, let's do it. So many beautiful options. Wow. The yes to the dress. This is the yes to the dress. Which one is your favorite, guys? Comment below. Let's put it on a model and see how it's look. I think it's gonna look amazing. And we are ready to photograph our second look. We put those cute flowers everywhere on the floor to decorate the set. And the stunning, bright, stunning dress. And we're ready to start. Show me your second hand as well, but I want to see both of your hands, so it's not questionable like what's happened to your second hand. Okay, that's stunning. Yes, Adila. You can give the look on a side. Like pretend you are walking. We can do like yes, just like that. Yes, and this hand just like that. Perfect. And straight look to the camera. Yes. Finished photo shoot. Thank you so much to my stunning model. We did 2 looks today. Which one was your favorite?
This one, definitely.
This one?
Yeah.
Do you feel like a bride?
Yep, 100%.
Oh, amazing. And let's see the photos. Wow, images came out so good. I'm really happy with the result what we got with those 2 totally different looks. If you like content like that, please stay with me, hit a like, subscribe, and see you next one. Thank you.